Hi, myself Rishikesh Nehere and my wife
My,
Vrishali here.
yeah.
We live in North Carolina from Cary. We were visiting one of our relatives here in Sunnyvale, and we both were suffering for, I was suffering for my shoulder, and my ankle was broken like 2 months back. My doctor has allowed me to go under physiotherapy before just I came here, and Brushali was suffering from plantar fasciitis since last 2 to 3 years, and for past 3 weeks we both have been having an excellent experience with Dr. Eggert and her facility and her staff, and we have experienced so much change in ourselves. It's not about only the symptoms. It's not about what we came for, but we gained a lot on top of it. So my ankle was broken. I was not believing that I would be able to walk within past 3 weeks, but that was an amazing experience because she guided me throughout each and every step, what to do, what not to do. She allowed us to use the facility for all the workouts anytime, whenever we can come here. And it was our vacation, but we're trying to make most of it. And she was kind enough to let us allow. Same thing with Rishali as well. She's being suffering from it, and but she has a huge
I,
change in
I, I
herself.
never believed that I'll get cured because I had a plantar fasciitis from last 3 years, and it was getting worse and worse day by day. But from last 2 3 weeks, I'm feeling much better, and it's a big change in my activities and everything. I mean daily routine. So yeah, I'm very
Yeah,
happy.
and for me, my ankle, like I couldn't believe within 3 weeks, I've been kind of jumping on my trampoline. You know, that's one of the best thing that I started little amount of jogging, cycling, everything, and that's a huge improvement. And then this is something this is one of the testimonial that I've been giving from my heart, because that made a huge difference in our life, and we wish all the staff members here at Intra Health, as well as Dr. Eggert, for all the best for all future career opportunities, or whichever the patients that they will be treating. I'm pretty sure she's going to be thorough. She's going to be very diligent throughout the analysis, and she's going to guide you on the right path, and wish the whole
All the
staff all
best,
the best.
and wish you a very happy and prosperous new year.
New Year as well.